Welcome to the Oracle ExaLogic Elastic Cloud demo. Business applications are the lifeblood of your organization. Whenever you have application problems, they immediately become user problems. Users fulfill orders too slowly. They lose business opportunities. They don't finish their financial reporting on time. They become less productive. They get a bad experience. As an IT organization, you want to provide application users with a great experience, but there are so many steps to get there. You need to buy hardware and application software and middleware and networking and storage. You need to install, configure, and integrate them all together. You have to do your own benchmarking and testing because your system is not quite the same as anybody else's, which also makes it difficult for your IT vendors to support you. What if there were a business applications platform that eliminated these problems and cut the time, cost, and risk of deployment? Imagine a completely automated way of deploying your applications, where you select your application from a list, click a few buttons, and it starts up right away. And together with the application, any required middleware components like application servers or an application delivery controller, as many operating system instances as you need, and all the information needed for these components to connect to external systems and to each other. Oracle ExaLogic Elastic Cloud makes it all possible because it was designed for business applications. It's an integrated system with hardware and software engineered to work together for your applications. Compute nodes, storage, super fast, low latency, secure networking, virtualization, and a complete management system that covers everything from applications to disk. Let's see how easy it is to use ExaLogic. We'll look at 3 key user roles. John, the cloud user, who runs business applications. Lisa, the cloud administrator, who creates user accounts and allocates system resources. And Mike, the ExaLogic administrator, who manages the system itself. We'll start with the cloud user. Let's say John wants to run a new instance of Oracle Order Management. He goes to the Cloud Self-Service portal. The home page shows how many resources he's currently using and which servers he's running. He requests a new server. Deployments on ExaLogic are really simple thanks to virtual assemblies, which are ready-to-run templates that you can get from Oracle or build yourself. John chooses the eBusiness Suite Order Management Assembly, which contains all the virtual machines required to run this application. John would like the application to run immediately and indefinitely. That's it. Oracle Order Management will start up right away. So, how did John become a cloud user? He got his account from Lisa, the cloud administrator. Lisa manages user accounts in ExaLogic Control, the ExaLogic Management Console, where she sees all the system resources she can allocate to users, including physical resources, servers, and user accounts. Lisa created the new account for John, set his resource quotas, and assigned him to the account. Now John uses this account to run Oracle Order Management and other applications. Finally, let's see how Mike, the ExaLogic administrator, uses ExaLogic Control to manage all hardware and software components in one convenient location. On the main dashboard, he sees the ExaLogic racks and can click any of them to see the internal components. There's a fully graphical view of each rack. Clicking a slot shows what's in it. This one is running the Oracle VM hypervisor. Mike can explore every aspect of the system, including firmware versions, for example, and the components of each node, including servers, storage, and network switches. For every server, he can see a high-level summary, hardware information, network information, and resource usage. On the hypervisor list, he can see the Oracle Order Management instance that John launched today. He can see all of John's virtual machines and can take actions such as shutting them down or rebooting them. Mike has all system information at his fingertips. In Oracle ExaLogic, everything is pre-integrated, tested, and certified for your business applications. By consolidating your applications on ExaLogic, you get low cost of ownership, simplified operations, super fast performance, reduced business risk, and best of all, happy users. Why would you want to run your applications anywhere else?